If you're vocally pushing, it might be your skull. Jaw or tongue tension stemming from a misaligned skull can really impact your voice. So in this video, we're going to find what's the right skull position to help yield the least amount of effort at the level of the larynx. Before we get started, I want you to record yourself speaking or singing a shortcut. That way you can compare what you're doing cold versus how it feels after this exercise. That way, if it works for you, you're going to add it to your daily regimen. Here's how this works. So holding an E vowel, you're going to move your skull forward and back, noticing the changes in effort, power, and quality. And you're going to find a sweet spot somewhere in between. So listen to my voice. If I do E, you can hear that if I go too far forward, it's going to pinch the voice off. But if I go too far back, like I'm trying to stand up straight, it's also going to pinch the voice off. There's some place in between that you can find by using your voice to guide you into that spot. So ask yourself, where does my skull need to be for my voice to be free? Yeah, let's do it again together. E, E. If your skull is in that easy position, it's going to be easier for your jaw to be free and your tongue to be free. So if you're experiencing jaw and tongue tension, I really want you to think about your skull first and then work on relaxing the tongue and jaw. When you find that sweet spot, you're going to record yourself speaking or singing that same cut that you started with and notice if there's any change in your voice. If this gave you more vocal freedom, add that to your daily warm-up routine. Do it throughout the day. Let me know in the comments how this affected your voice and any questions you have. And for more assessments on how to free up your voice, like, subscribe, and follow. As always, if you're experiencing any vocal tension for more than 2 weeks, you really have to see an ENT, an otolaryngologist who specializes in voice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.